What was the purpose of this group of ministers and this report that has been prepared? Was this to weaken our constitutional democracy? Because it seems to suggest that what the world is now saying about us is actually coming true. We were slipping constantly in freedom of press index. We are now vehemently slipping. I mean, a US NGO funded by the US government today has raised questions on free India. We are now apparently in a partially free category. 73 years after independence, my head hangs in shame that we are in that category, and shame on this government for landing us there. So the first question is, what was the purpose of this report? Was this to weaken the democracy? And if not, how will you answer the reports that are now surfacing? The second important question that I would want to ask is all these ministers who I have quoted. What are you going to do with those 50 negative influences, Ms. Irani? Mr. Dasgupta, what sort of little extra are you talking about? Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, what is that spin that you would want on your policies? Mr. Gurumurthy talks about Pokhran-like effect. I don't know what that effect is, but it certainly needs explanation. And Swapan Dasgupta, I've already said. Surya Prakash, head of Prasar Bharati, what sort of pressure and control and power do you want to now exercise? I also want to ask, particularly Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad and Prakash Javadekar, you had announced IT Act 2021 amendments. I want rules 2021. I have a very clear question for you. Should rules now be made sitting in a room full of ministers, or is Parliament going to legislate in this country? Because it seems to suggest that whether it was control of OTT platforms, whether it was curbing digital media, you have actually enacted upon those suggestions, you have actually made them into law. I think it's a breach of privilege. It's not keeping Parliament, it's keeping Parliament in the black. And I personally feel on high moral ground after the revelations of this report, both of you should really resign. Ravi Shankar Prasad ji and Prakash Javadekar ji.